Welcome to Nick's Finance, my friend. Here we'll uncover practical strategies that have made a real difference in boosting my income and achieving financial freedom. Today, I'm excited to share with you 6 incredible side hustle ideas that have personally helped me earn some extra cash. Whether you're dreaming of crushing debt, planning that epic vacation, or simply growing your savings, these side hustles can be a complete game changer. So without further ado, let's jump right in and discover the world of lucrative opportunities that await you. Freelancing. In the vast world of freelancing, there's a golden opportunity waiting just for you. It doesn't matter if you're a skilled wordsmith, a creative graphic designer, a tech-savvy programmer, or a savvy marketer. The gig economy is buzzing with demand for your unique talents and expertise. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer.com serve as virtual treasure troves, connecting you with clients and projects that perfectly align with your skills. But here's the secret sauce to freelancing success. It's all about effectively marketing yourself, consistently delivering exceptional work, and creating a portfolio that showcases your abilities in the best light. By consistently providing value and going above and beyond to exceed client expectations, you'll be setting yourself up for a thriving career in the world of freelancing. So go ahead, unleash your skills and dive into the endless possibilities that freelancing has to offer. Your journey to professional fulfillment awaits. E-commerce. The exciting world of e-commerce. It has revolutionized the way we buy and sell products, opening up a world of opportunities for individuals like you. If you have a deep passion for creating, crafting, or curating unique items, why not take the plunge and start your very own online store? With platforms like Shopify, Etsy, and Amazon at your fingertips, setting up shop and reaching a global audience has never been more accessible. From handmade crafts that exude your personal touch to personalized merchandise that captures the essence of individuality, the possibilities are truly limitless. But here's the key to success: investing time in thorough product research, honing your branding, and implementing effective marketing strategies. By standing out from the crowd and consistently delivering exceptional products, you can transform your passion into a profitable side hustle that not only brings financial reward, but also fills your heart with joy. So, my friend, embrace this exciting journey of e-commerce and let your creativity flow. Share your unique creations with the world and watch as your passion turns into profit, one sale at a time. The online marketplace awaits, ready to showcase your talents and connect you with customers who appreciate the beauty of your craft. Affiliate marketing. In the vast online landscape where opportunities abound, affiliate marketing emerges as a powerful avenue to monetize your online presence and make the most of your influence. Picture this: by promoting products or services through affiliate links, you open the door to earning commissions on sales generated through your referrals. The secret to success in the realm of affiliate marketing lies in choosing products that align seamlessly with your niche and resonate deeply with your audience. Building trust becomes the cornerstone of your journey, so it's paramount to focus on providing valuable content and honest recommendations. Whether you're a dedicated blogger sharing your expertise, a charismatic YouTuber captivating your viewers, or a social media influencer with a devoted following, affiliate marketing brings forth a passive income stream that effortlessly complements your existing revenue streams. Embrace this exciting opportunity to monetize your influence, turning your passion into a profit-generating venture that allows you to thrive in the digital realm. The possibilities are endless, my friend, so seize the moment and embark on this rewarding journey of transforming your online presence into a lucrative and fulfilling endeavor. Rental income. The world of rental income. A tried and true method of generating passive income and building wealth over time. If you happen to own property or have some extra space available, why not consider putting it to good use and renting it out? Thanks to the convenience of platforms like Airbnb, VRBO, and Craigslist, finding tenants and earning income from your property has never been easier. But here's the exciting part: you can also dive into the realm of investing in rental properties. By acquiring properties with the sole purpose of renting them out, you can enjoy a steady stream of passive income through monthly rent payments. Of course, success in the rental market requires a solid foundation. Thorough research, careful tenant screening, and diligent property maintenance are key ingredients for long-term financial stability and security. So, my friend, if you're up for the challenge, smart investing and effective property management can pave the way to a bright future filled with the rewards of rental income. Embrace this opportunity to leverage your assets and watch your financial dreams come to life. Online courses. In this fast-paced digital era, the thirst for knowledge and the desire to acquire new skills has reached unprecedented heights. People are yearning to expand their horizons and learn from the comfort of their own homes. And guess what? You have a golden opportunity to share your expertise and create your own online courses. Platforms like Udemy, Teachable, and Skillshare are ready to empower you with the necessary tools and resources to bring your courses to life and connect with a global audience. But here's the secret sauce to success in the realm of online courses. It's all about identifying your target audience, crafting a meticulously outlined curriculum, and delivering captivating content that truly makes a difference. With the right strategy and flawless execution, your online courses can become a lucrative source of passive income, allowing you to share your knowledge and expertise while enjoying the financial rewards. So, my friend, don't keep your wisdom to yourself. Embrace this exciting journey of creating online courses and let the world benefit from your valuable insights. Together, we can inspire and empower learners around the globe, one course at a time. Gig economy. The gig economy. A world of endless possibilities and flexible work opportunities just waiting to be explored. Imagine this: you have the freedom to earn some extra income on your own terms, all while embracing the flexibility that comes with it. You could be driving for Uber, delivering delicious meals with DoorDash, or even tackling various tasks on platforms like TaskRabbit. The beauty of the gig economy lies in its ability to cater to your unique skills and spare time. It's all about embracing that freedom and flexibility to make money whenever it suits you. To truly thrive in this dynamic landscape, it's crucial to set clear goals, manage your time effectively, and prioritize those high-paying gigs that align perfectly with your abilities. With a healthy dose of determination and resourcefulness, you can transform gig work into a sustainable and fulfilling side hustle that beautifully complements your lifestyle. So, my friend, seize the opportunity that the gig economy presents and turn your spare time into a valuable source of income and personal growth. Embrace the gig economy and let it take you on a journey of financial freedom and self-discovery. Thank you so much for joining us today as we explored 6 incredible side hustle ideas to help you earn that extra income you've been dreaming of. Whether your goal is to boost your savings, pay off debt, or pursue your passions, these side hustles offer endless opportunities for financial growth. If you found this video valuable and inspiring, please take a moment to hit that like button. Share it with others who might benefit, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more valuable content on personal finance and wealth-building strategies. Stay inspired, keep hustling, and let's conquer our financial goals together.